Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 20, substitution. So our next exercise it is exercise 20C. In that first one, fill in the blanks. First question, 2a plus b minus c equal to 2a plus, then a bracket is given. You have to fill in this bracket. Okay. So here you can see one thing, a portion of or a part of bracket is inserted within a pair of bracket. Okay, this portion b minus c, in place of that a bracket is given with a positive sign before a bracket. Okay, here a part of bracket is given inside a bracket with a positive sign before a bracket. So we have to follow one rule, that is, when any part of an expression is inserted within a pair of bracket with a positive sign before it, the sign of each term kept inside the bracket remains unchanged. That is, if there is a positive sign, you can write the terms without changing the signs of the terms. Okay, so here sign of b it is plus and sign of c it is minus. So you can write as it is. Whenever there is a positive sign before a bracket, no need to change the sign of terms inside the brackets. So here this portion b minus c is given in a bracket. You have to fill in this blank. Whether the sign will change or will not change, that depends upon the sign before the bracket. So here the sign is positive, so you don't need to change the sign of terms. So you can write b minus c as it is. So you can write here b minus c. Okay. Next question, second one, 3x minus z plus y equal to 3x minus, then a bracket is given. Okay, so in place of z plus y, a bracket is given. So before this bracket, it is minus sign. So there is another rule. When any part of an expression is to be inserted within a pair of brackets with a negative sign before it, the sign of each term kept inside the brackets gets changed. So whenever there is a minus sign before a bracket, you need to change the sign of terms. Okay, so here in place of z plus y, a bracket is given. So while writing z plus y, you need to change the sign of that terms. Okay, so here the sign of z it is minus. Okay, so inside bracket it will be positive. You can just write z. Then plus y, it will change to minus y. Okay. So whenever there is a positive sign before a bracket, no need to change the sign of terms. Whenever there is a minus sign before a bracket, change the sign of terms. Okay. Now third one, 6p minus 5x plus q. 6p minus. Here minus sign is given before bracket. Okay. So what to do? You need to change the sign of terms inside the bracket. So here inside bracket 5x plus q will come. Okay, so minus 5x. Sign of 5x it is minus here, so that will change to positive 5x. That is simply 5x you can write. 5x. Now plus q will change to minus q. Okay. Now fourth one, a plus b minus c plus d equal to a plus. So in place of b minus c plus d, a bracket is given. and before that bracket it is plus sign. So you whenever there is a positive sign before a bracket, no need to change the sign of terms. So b minus c plus d you can write as it is. B minus c plus d. Okay. Now next one. Fifth one. 5a plus 4b plus 4x minus 2c equal to 4x minus, then a bracket is given. Okay, so here you can notice one thing. This 4x is given outside the bracket. So inside bracket all other terms, that is 5a plus 4b minus 2c will come. Okay, now before this bracket minus sign is given. So what to do? You need to change the sign of terms and write. Okay, so first term 5a. It is positive 5a, so that will change to minus 5a. Okay, plus 4b will change to minus 4b. Okay, minus 2c will change to plus 2c. So inside bracket minus 5a minus 4b plus 2c will come. Okay. Sixth question, 7x plus 2z plus 4y minus 3 equal to minus 3 plus 4y plus, then a bracket is given. Okay, so here minus 3, it is given outside bracket, then 4y, it is also given outside bracket. Okay. So remaining what will come inside bracket? 7x plus 2z. Okay. Now before the bracket here it is plus sign. So what to do? You need not change the sign of terms. Okay. 7x plus 2z you can write as it is. So here 7x plus 2z will come. Okay, since outside bracket plus sign is given, no need to change the sign of terms. Okay, now do the 7th one and 8th one, do as homework. Second question, insert the bracket as indicated. In that first one, x minus 2y equal to minus, then a bracket is given. So here you can see one thing, outside bracket no term is given, only minus sign. Okay, so all the terms you need to put inside a bracket. Okay, here x minus 2y will come inside the bracket. But before the bracket the sign is minus. So what to do? Change the sign of terms and write. We know that whenever there is a minus sign before a bracket, change the signs of terms. Okay, so x will become, x means positive x. So that will become minus x. Minus 2y will become plus 2y. So x plus 2y equal to minus of minus x plus 2y. Okay. Now second one, m plus n minus p equal to minus, then a bracket is given. So here also no number is given, no term is given outside the bracket. Okay, but before the bracket a minus sign is coming. So while writing the terms inside the bracket, what to do? Whenever there is a minus sign before a bracket, change the sign of terms. Okay, so m will change to minus m. This is positive m, that will change to minus m. Plus n will change to minus n. Minus p will change to plus p. Okay, so all the terms will come inside a bracket with their signs changed. Okay. Next one, a plus 4b minus 4c equal to a plus, then a bracket is given. So here a comes outside bracket. So remaining 4b minus 4c will come inside the bracket. Okay. And also before the bracket here the sign is plus. So whenever there is a positive sign before a bracket, no need to change the sign of terms. Okay. So plus 4b, that is 4b minus 4c you can write here. No need to change the sign of terms if positive sign comes before the bracket. Okay. Next, fourth one, a minus 3b plus 5c equal to a minus. Then a bracket is given. So here 3b and 5c. In place of that a bracket is given. A is outside the bracket. Okay. And before the bracket the sign is minus sign. So while writing the terms, what to do? Whenever minus sign is coming before bracket, you need to change the sign of terms. So minus 3b will become plus 3b. That is simply 3b you can write. Plus 5c will change to minus 5c. Okay. Now do the 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th as homework. So our chapter is over. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So thank you.